Hi, I'm Gina Ellis, and I'm going to show you how I do my nightly routine with Nutriance Organic, our new organic skincare line that came out. So I have eye makeup on today, so I'm going to use the Gentle Makeup Remover. Put a dab on here. I use about that much. You can see that. And I place it over my eye and just let it soak for a few seconds. Then start working it in little circles. There we go. That's from one eye. Then I take the other half of my cotton pad, put on enough for the next eye. And this works with waterproof mascara as well. I love this makeup remover. It doesn't irritate my eyes and works really well. So I'm only going to use it on my eyes because I don't have any other makeup on. I don't feel like I need any kind of foundation or powder because my skin is so healthy now that I'm using Nutriance Organic. All right, so next is a 3-step system. I'm using the Combo Oily. So the first step is cleansing gel. This system usually takes me less than 3 minutes to do. It's about 2.5 minutes. I put about that much on there. The lighting's not quite right. There we go. All right. Dab it on my face and start working it around, cleansing. Moving in circular motion. This is really easy on the eyes too. Get my hairline, my lips, chin, and this picks up any eye makeup that may have been left behind that the other cotton pad didn't get. You can see there was still some there. And then I leave that on my skin. I don't like to take that off because I like the moisturizing properties that it has. Next would be the Balancing Tonic. And I half saturated the cotton pad with this. And I just smooth it over my face. Upward, outward strokes on the cheeks. Help keep from gravity, to kind of do the reverse of what gravity's been doing. And use upward strokes. Upward, outward. Remember to get the neck. And again, the lips as well. All right, eyebrows. There we go. Next we have step A of the third step of the system, hydrating serum. 1 pump is all I need of that. This one I gently smooth over my skin. I don't rub it in. I have to work quickly with this one because it likes to set up quickly. So I get it all over, including my eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, helps them grow nicely and full. And then pat my whole face all over. And it just soaks right in. Feels so good and it smells so good. Nice natural smell. And then the last step, step 3B, is the moisturizing cream. Just a little bit. And you put that on just like any moisturizer. Over the eyes, eyelids. And this one can be massaged in. Oh, it feels wonderful. Smells good. There we go. So that took me more than 3 minutes because I was explaining what I was doing. But really simple, quick, and I can also apply makeup just after this, within seconds of putting it on. So there you go.